Hello everyone, welcome to JH SOFTECH. Let us discuss SAP SuccessFactor interview question and answers. What is SAP SuccessFactors? Answer: SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based human capital management suite that provides software as a service for various HR functions such as recruitment, onboarding, performance management, learning and development, compensation, and succession planning. What are the main modules of SAP SuccessFactors? Answer: the main modules include Employee Central, Recruiting, Onboarding, Performance and Goals, Learning, Compensation, Succession and Development, Workflows, Analytics. Explain the architecture of SAP SuccessFactors. Answer: SAP SuccessFactors operates on a cloud-based multi-tenant architecture where multiple customers share the same infrastructure but have separate instances. It leverages metadata-driven development, allowing for flexible configurations and updates. How do you configure Employee Central? Answer: configuration steps for Employee Central include setting up company structure, example legal entities, business units, defining foundation objects, example locations, job codes, pay grades, configuring employee records and workflows, customizing time off and benefit settings, integration with other SAP modules or third-party applications. What is the difference between MDF and RBP in SuccessFactors? Answer: MDF metadata framework is used to create and manage custom objects and extensions within SuccessFactors. RBP role-based permissions controls user access to data and functionalities, ensuring that users have appropriate permissions based on their roles. Describe the integration options available in SuccessFactors. Answer: integration options include SAP Cloud Platform integration for seamless data flow between SAP applications and SuccessFactors. Dell Boomi for integrating with non-SAP systems. APIS and OData service for custom integrations. What is the purpose of the Performance and Goals module? Answer: the Performance and Goals module helps organizations manage and track employee performance, set and align goals with organizational objectives, conduct performance reviews, and facilitate continuous feedback and development. How does the learning module support employee development? Answer: the learning module offers a comprehensive learning management system that allows organizations to deliver, track, and manage employee training programs, including e-learning courses, classrooms, training, and certifications. Can you explain the succession and development module? Answer: the succession and develop module helps organizations identify and develop talent for critical roles. It includes tools for creating succession plans, accessing talent, and planning career development paths. How would you handle a scenario where an employee's data needs to be updated in Employee Central? Answer: to update an employee's data in Employee Central, access the employee's profile via the Admin Center. Make the necessary changes to the relevant fields, example, job title, location. Ensure that any workflows or approvals required are completed. Save the changes and notify the relevant stakeholders if needed. What steps would you take to implement a new performance review cycle in performance and goals? Answer: steps to implement a new performance review cycle include define the review period and cycle dates. Customize the performance review template with appropriate sessions and rating scales. Configure workflow settings for receive submissions and approval processes. Launch the receive cycle and communicate details to employees and managers. How do you manage localization and compliance in Employee Central? Answer: localization and compliance are managed by configuring country-specific fields and workflows, ensuring compliance with local labor laws and regulations, using predefined country-specific configurations packs provided by SAP, regularly updated settings to adhere to changes in legislation. What are the best practice for data migration to SAP SuccessFactors? Best practice include conducting thorough data cleansing and validation before migration, using SAP's migration tools like the data migration tool or import data feature, ensuring mapping accuracy between legacy system fields and SuccessFactors fields, testing the migration process with a subset of data before full-scale implementation. How do you configure workflows in Employee Central? Answer: go to the Admin Center. Navigate to Manage Organization, Pay and Job Structures. Choose the desired workflow. Example: job information, personal information. Define the steps, approvers and notifications. Save and active the workflow. Explain the concept of foundation objects in Employee Central. Answer: foundation objects are the building blocks for Employee Central, representing entities like legal entities, business units, locations, job codes, and play gates. They help in structuring the organization and standardizing data. How do you manage employee time off in Employee Central? Answer: configure time off types. Example: vacation, sick leave. Define time off. How do you manage employee time off in Employee Central? Answer: configure time off types. Example: vacation, sick leave. Define time off policies and accrual rules. Set up holiday calendars and work schedules. Enable employees to request time off through the self-service portal. Approve and track time off request through workflows. What are the main components of the recruiting module? Answer: recruiting management manages jobs, requisitions, and candidate applications. Recruiting marketing manages career seats, job distribution, and candidate relationship management. Onboarding facilitate the transition from candidate to new hire. How do you create a job requisition in recruiting management? Answer: navigate to recruiting. Select create new job requisition. Fill in the job details including job title, description, requirements, and hiring manager. Configure approval workflows. Post the job requisition to internal and external career seats. What is the use of talent pools in recruiting? Answer: talent pools are used to group and manage potential candidates for future job openings. They help in proactively building pipelines of qualified candidates, enhancing the recruitment process. Describe the onboarding process in SAP SuccessFactors. Answer: initiate onboarding once a candidate is hired. Collect necessary documentation and personal information. Facilitate tasks like form completion, compliance training, and equipment setup. Assign mentors and buddy programs. Monitor progress and ensure a smooth transition to employment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.